Hello everyone, I am Ramesh. Today let's discuss into the topic of GitHub Actions. So GitHub Actions is a platform provided by the GitHub for the automating the workflows in the software development. Then it allows you to define the customer workflows which are sets of automating steps that can be triggered by events like GitHub pull pushes, pull request, and other GitHub activities. These workflows can be included tasks such as building, testing, and deploying your code to over there. So this Actions is just like it's a YML file. So let's start. Today we will discuss what is the GitHub Actions, developer workflow use cases, and basic concepts of GitHub events and actions, and CI/CD pipeline with GitHub Actions. So already CI/CD, a lot of people familiar with Jenkins. So why we are using? So with Jenkins we have a lot of drawback like. We need to create a VM and we need to install the Jenkins, and we have to add the more plugins, like if you want to add the Docker plugins, Maven plugins, and as well as GitHub plugins. Most a lot of things plugins we need to add, but in GitHub Actions we have no need to add any plugins. Simply we need to write a code in a YML file. So let's deep dive into the demo. So today I will show Java app with the Maven build. So I will code a one sample Java code, and I will build the jar file using Maven build. Then I will generate the Docker image for the Docker image will push to the Docker hub. Let's see. So let's go to the demo. So this is our GitHub. So today we are discussing about the GitHub Actions. So I have my Java code in my local. So I will push that code first. This is my Java code. So I am pushing this code to the GitHub repository. Let's refresh. So my code is available in the Docker hub. So let's start to create the actions. So here we have a lot of options here. So build, test, and apply your code, and make the reviews, branch management, everything we can track here. So what we have suggested repositories and deployment. So we can directly deployment to the Azure clouds, AWS, EC2, ECS instances, instances, and continuous integration with Docker container. Lot of things will be there, like automation, manual testing. This. So now we are building Java with Maven. So simply just we need to configure here. So GitHub Actions, it will generate the code by taking our Java, and it will give in the Maven YML file configuration here. So let's see here. This is the name, so we can change this name to as you requested. So I am changing this to GitHub Actions. demo. Okay, so here on push means, so once if you anybody change the code, and once he push the code to GitHub this main branch, so this action will take event will trigger, and it will run the file, and it will store into the it will generate the Docker image, and it will store into the Docker Hub. So let me copy this code, and I will copy to the Visual Studio, so better you can understand very well. Okay, sorry, this is my first time I'm doing tutorial, so this is optional, if this is not required. So so once if you push the code, so this action will be done, then it's a build. So we are running our GitHub Actions in the Ubuntu latest version. So this is the GitHub provided actions. So if you go through document, so GitHub Actions documentation. So here we can get all the documentation about the GitHub overview, and build and test, continuous integration. So why we are using this? Then I'm giving Java JDK 17, then actions setup Java. So this is all like a plugins, like in Jenkins we have GitHub plugin and Maven plugin, like that. Defaultly GitHub is provided these actions, and I'm giving the just Maven build, just package, simple application only. So let's copy, so this entire thing is not required, we can remove it. Okay, save it. Okay, I'm pasting into the GitHub folder. Okay, let's commit this code. Let's see, create a maven.yml. So I'm giving this we can change the name here, so GitHub action f1 demo yml. So let's commit. So we are committed the code. So let's see, is it build is success or, so see here. So it's running the action, it's done. So it building taking the all packages. Done. So build is completed successfully. So setting up the Java Maven build, everything is completed. See here, build success, and photo of the actions, and completed the job. So coming back to here, so what we did, so Java with Maven, the build is completed, and artifact is created here. So next step is, we need to push the code to Docker. We need to generate the Docker image by using that Java code. So here I'm going here, Visual Studio Code. Now what we are doing, so we are generating building the image, build image and push to Docker Hub. Okay, so for this we need to take this uses from the already pre-built plugins will be there, so we can go in Google and we can search here. You just search marketplace, so we will see this okay, here see Docker Hub. Then we can copy to here. Sorry, I think I didn't copy it properly. Okay, let's see. Oh, so this is indentation YML file. Okay, great. So here we need to change the image name. So I will go to the my Docker repository. So I'm taking this repository name and with username. Just we need to paste here. Okay, and save it. So he these secrets will be there, right? So this the username and Docker password, so it will come from the we need to set in the GitHub repository. So I'm going back, to here. So here we have settings, right? So here we have to go, and here we have to give the action secret keys. So select the secrets and variables, and let's create here username. So already auto populating, so let's copy this one, Control C and Control V. And what is my username? I have to go Docker Hub and take this is my username, Ramesh Paidi. So copy the username and paste into the value place. Okay, and same thing we need to create a secret key for password also. So let's select only password here and take the password, Control V, and this is a fully security password I cannot share. So let me stop the screen. So here I added username and password. Then come to the Visual Studio Core. So we have to copy entire thing to GitHub YML file. So go to here and go to GitHub Workflows and Maven. Here you need to edit this file and replace with that file and commit. So commit message, it's optional, but we have to give by we have to provide the commit message. So added Docker image build and push to Docker hub. That's it. Just commit, and let's go to the Docker actions. Sorry, and let's see how is it building or not. Let's see. Oh, see here, job is building. So building the man project. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's success. So let's see. The Docker image is stored in my, so it's not stored. So let's refresh it. See here. So a few seconds ago, Docker image with commit tag. This is commit tag. So successfully Docker image build, and it pushed to the Docker hub. So I will do one thing. So hi all. So my image is here. So let's see. Shall I pull this image, and I will pull this image, and my project is running or not. Let's see. So in my locally I will try. So Docker pull. So this is a public repository, so anyone can download. And wow, so here let me check Docker images. So image is there, right? See, Ramesh paid GitHub Actions. So I will run this image. Docker run -d -p 8010 my port, and it will route to the 8080 -t. So I'm giving this image with the latest tag. Latest tag. What is tag? This is the tag. Let's see. Docker run something warning. Okay. Docker ps. Wow, my this is just warning, we can ignore it. So my application is running. So let's check localhost 8081. Wait, something happened. Sorry guys, something is happening. I extremely sorry guys. So So my Docker project is running here. So let me clear here properly. Then I will check. So this is my application is running with the local host port 8010. It's routing to the 8080. Okay. So let's see localhost 8010. So see here my project is running successfully here. I have successfully built a Spring Boot application using my event using GitHub Actions. Right? Great. Thank you all.